Hello and welcome to a episode of 9 Ball. And today with me I have a guest.
Hello, I'm Sebastian.
Okay, I thought you were going to give your YouTube a shout out, but since he's not going to do it, I'll do it. His channel is LoganJeb208.
Now let's get on to this game.
Alright, Kalem, versus JP. Now, who do you think is going to win?
Kalem.
Alright, Kalem, just for the heck of it, I'll be a JP.
Must have some arguments or something.
Yeah. Alright, now
content.
while the players are getting ready, my name is... I honestly forgot to introduce myself. I am Reporter Guy.
And of course I'm Sebastian, as I said.
Yeah. Alright. Sorry about all the confusion. Alright, JP with the break. Ow. Okay.
Pretty good break.
Yeah. And then Kalem... JP makes a 2-ball in. How does that feel? Does that...
Like depression. Like anxiety.
Okay,
And existential crises.
JP misses.
You seriously missed?
Okay.
And Caleb scratches. JP hits the 4 and it goes in, but so does the cue ball, and that's a scratch.
Ha, get wrecked.
Alright, Caleb misses. Ha! And then JP misses. And then Caleb misses. Ha! JP.
But you missed just as much as I did.
Are you sure about that?
Kalem did.
Are you sure about that?
Yes.
JP hits the 5 into the 7 into the corner pocket. It's a hit. And JP's
Scratches. Get wrecked.
That's all right. And then, okay, now I, being a pool player, see a very good way that this game could end right here.
Yeah, with Kalem winning.
Sadly, yes. Okay, let's see. Cue ball into the 1 ball, into the 9 ball, into the corner pocket.
And Kalem wins.
Alright, and that's game. Goodbye, everybody. See you on another video.